Trading used to feel like flipping a coin until I found something that changed my trading forever. The secret? Following tried and tested strategies with an 80% plus hit rate. No guessing, no hoping, just back-tested consistent results. And the best part is you get started with this for absolutely free. But more on that in a second. What changed everything for me was following a proven tried and tested strategy. One that's not based on random indicators, but is tried and tested across various markets and various time frames. And to make life even easier, we built certain tools around these. Tools that will help you learn faster, trade smarter, and prevent you from missing any trades. Stick around, because at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to join our free Wednesday night webinar, where we're going to teach you one or two of our most effective strategies, so you can plug them straight into your trading. The reason why we suggest trading with a successful strategy that has a hit rate of 80% plus is, firstly, when you're trading, you're going to be hitting TPs more often than not, meaning out of 10 trades, you're taking 2 losses and 8 take profits. So if you're taking a stop loss every second trade, let's say you're dealing with a 50% hit rate, your morale is going to be low and you might not trust the strategy as much. On top of that, when trading with a strategy that is an 80% plus hit rate, it allows you to give a bit more space on your stops, because you know more likely than not you're going to go to take profit. And if you do take the stop and it goes against you, then you can deal with a little bit of a larger stop here and there. Trading with a proven, tried and tested strategy also allows you to take away your emotion and trade with complete logic and complete focus on what the trade should be. No guessing, just exact entry, exact exit, and exact take profit levels. And our secret weapon is the expert advisor. Now, we've programmed expert advisors based on proven, tried and tested strategies that we've traded for many years, which means it's going to draw the levels in for you. It's going to give you an early alert as to when we're about to trigger. It's not a signal exactly. It's all based off of these strategies that we've tested over many years. So giving you that early alert so you know that, okay, there's a trade coming up. Not telling you to take the trade, but telling you that we are getting a trigger based off of a specific strategy, and you can decide whether you want to take the trade or not. Firstly, it's going to improve your trading discipline. So if you're learning the strategy, you know that you're going to wait for that expert advisor alarm to go off, and then you can take the trade. Secondly, it's also going to allow you to understand the strategy more often, because if you don't get the signal, then you're not really understanding something if you were expecting that signal to pop up. Thirdly, it allows you to never miss a trade as well. So if you're busy in front of the charts, maybe you're answering some emails and you have your charts on your left or your right, and you're looking for a trade, it's taking you a little bit of time, but you don't want to really miss it. When you get that little ping, that little alert, you can jump straight out of your emails or whatever you're doing, quickly take the trade and go back to what you were doing. So whether you're a beginner trying to learn how to trade, or someone who gets very busy throughout the day with their tasks, whether you're studying, whether you're working, this expert advisor is like having a coach in your corner, notifying you when the next trigger is about to come. If you're tired of gambling on trades and want to finally find something that works, something tested, something repeatable, and something proven, start by learning our strategies and then let our tools do the heavy lifting for you. Hit the link in the description to sign up for our free Wednesday night webinar. You will leave with at least one solid, tried and tested trading strategy that you can plug into your trading immediately. And you'll have a chance to see how our expert advisors can take your game to the next level. Trading doesn't have to be hard, you just need the right system, and now you've got one.